Hey everyone, welcome back to Devices Setup. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your modem to a router the right way so you get full speed and stable internet connection. This method works for any brand, TP-Link, Netgear, D-Link, Tenda, or any other router you have. First, let's understand the setup. Your modem connects to your internet service provider and your router shares that internet connection with all devices like phones, laptops, smart TVs, and security cameras. If your modem and router are two separate boxes, you will need an Ethernet cable to connect them. If your modem and router are in the same box, then you can connect the internet cable from your internet service provider, set up the router, and it will start giving the internet. So let me explain to you the first scenario. Before you start, turn off both the modem and the router. This helps them sync properly once you power them back on. Now take your Ethernet cable and connect one end to the LAN port of your modem and the other end to the WAN or internet port of your router. That port is usually marked differently as WAN or internet and might have a different color than other LAN ports. Once the cable is connected, power on your modem first and wait until all its lights are stable. Then power on your router. In a few seconds, the router should automatically receive the internet signal from your modem if it is already set up. Next, connect your phone or laptop to the router's Wi-Fi. You can find the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password printed on a sticker at the back or bottom of your router. Once connected, open a browser or do a quick speed test to confirm that you are online. And in case if your router is not set up yet, or if you want to customize your Wi-Fi network name or password, then open a browser and type 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. You can find the default login IP address of your router at the back panel of your router, or else you can watch video given in the description which shows how to find your router's IP address. Next, log in into the router using the default username and password, which are usually admin. Once logged in into the router, you can then start its setup if not already done, or you can customize SSID or password and make desired changes on this router. Moreover, if the internet doesn't work, restart both the modem and your router. Still no luck? Try connecting your computer directly to the modem to check if your internet is active. If it works there, reset your router and try the setup again. To reset it, connect it to a power outlet and press the reset button for 10 seconds while it is still plugged into a wall outlet. After a successful reset, try the steps mentioned before again. And that's all. You have successfully connected your modem to your router. Now your entire home can enjoy fast, reliable Wi-Fi. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more setup tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and have a great day.